Yaga yo, we're outside again. Hey, yes, family. I ain't got stuff to talk about today. I ain't gonna say shit. Well, not a lot anyway.
Rum biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. So yeah, we're just rolling around. Nice little cruise down Walsall Road. Remember, family, if you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. Become a member. You know, donate, use the PayPal if you like. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man, the day's nice again today still. It's not too hot. Definitely not cold. Oh, so that wheel's wobbling still. Alloys buckle up. Yeah, they were super buckled still. Come on. Let's go over there. So yeah, man, what you like been up to? What you doing? Other than watching the video and all that. Way. My guy with the buckle alloys behind. Let me just move out of his way. You know what? It's 12:30. And I haven't eaten. Surprisingly. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna go into OneStop and grab what do they call it? A tasty patty. Why not? People must think I got a flipping patty obsession. I love patties as a snack still. I can't lie. Favourites gotta be Grandad's. Then what's the other one? The ones from the patty shop. And then you got like Dave's Bakery, and then in here I can't remember what it's called, but what them called. I think it's tasty patties. What the hell is my man doing in the bin? Right. My man are fully just rummaging through the bin. He coming like a fox. You know what I mean? Is there? Man's moving like a fox out here. Oh shit. Where am I gonna hitch up now? No, let's hitch up here, you know. Hitch up right here. Yeah, you see the traffic with these things. Yeah, don't like it at all. Slow moving and all that. Alright then. Let's go and get what we get. go get over here again. Oh, I think I should have parked further down, to be fair. So this family is Perry Barr OneStop. You got your New Look, Superdrug, Heron Foods, JD, Peacock's Paws, the gym, Argas. Oh, that does remind me, you know. Now, you see this camera that I'm using? The DJI Action 4. Bad boy camera. But it's come up with a fault, man. And the fault is, it's like it's saying that the camera's underwater or something. Popeye's yeah. Popeye's is vile. Tried it twice, not a fan. So anyway, yeah. So when I turn the camera off manually, it keeps turning itself back on and saying that due to water pressure or some kind of foolishness like that, you get me? So I need to get that pattern still. Right. All I'm thinking about is chicken or beef. What am I doing? I think I'm going to do chicken today, if they've got it. Oh, sit down now. Can I have a chicken patty, please? And a pineapple can as well, please. No. Thank you. Right, so right, I'm gonna deal with this. I'll check you back. Right. I can't lie. Oh yeah. Right. I can't lie, yeah, that patty was nice. Yeah, it's kind of a big change to have like a nice crispy pastry in it. It was nice. So if you want to try one of them patties there, I think they're called tasty patties. Yeah, try that spot there. If there's anywhere else that does banging patties and that, yeah, let me know, because I love a patty, you know. Love a patty. Why does it keep doing that? Anyway, family, I'm out. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that beautiful stuff. Become a member, drop a donation, do what you're doing. If not, it's no worries, no pressure. And I am out.